Good morning. All about the instructions of CBSE. It is clear that the preventive measures taken by the government of India and accordingly online classes will be decided by the CBSE curriculums. Accordingly, as a affiliated unit of the CBSE, St. Joseph Public School also started online classes. I also trying to overcome about the problem of a student of standard 9 as well as standard 10. Today, I highlight about the matter concerned to the standard 10 student related to the social science, likely to the first chapter of economics. Economics is a newly subject which introduced in 1920 by Adam Smith. We are already know previously economics is the science which deals about the editing of everyday life. Editing of everyday life also depend to the different dimension of life accordingly to the life of the human being became sustained well. This chapter became as socio-economic chapter which decided by the CBSE board by the intellectuals from the economics as term 1 standard 10. Standard 10 regarded to the syllabus indicate about the development. This chapter ensure about the direction of the student of standard 10 as better understanding about economics after knowing about the definition of economics by the Adam Smith, by Professor Marshall, Professor Robbins, J.K. Mehta, Samuelson, Pigou, and others. So one of the facts indicate about the chapter as growth as well as the development. Lastly, as economics is the science which deals about the income and expenditure of individual or an economy. Economics deals about the micro and macro sense of the studying about the concept of economic income, earning as well as the expenditure of everyday life. As a micro sense, it indicates about the microeconomics and macro sense indicate about the macroeconomics where the aggregate will be discussed. This chapter related to the matter indicate about the growth as well as the development. First you come to the concept of the growth and development. Growth and development concerned to the human being will be introduced by UNDP of the UNO in 1952 and accordingly who trying to overcome about the world nations who became as a member of the UNO. So 195 countries of the world are the member of the UN General Assembly and related to the members nations from the world concerned to the human growth and the development related matter discussed to the chapter. First, it is essential to you to understand about the definition of economy. According to that, economy mean the particular area and a geographical area as under the boundary line related to the settlement, utilization and earning of resources or infrastructure. So Indian economy also trying to utilize all about the natural resources with the help of the human creativity. so that growth and development also clear with the help of the scope of economics. We are already know before as a scope of economics. First one, it is quite necessary to understand as a previous class, standard 9, where the introductory economics related to the understanding given by the CBSE board, and accordingly a student better understand about the economics as well as the economy. According to the World Bank, world economy will be subdivided between two groups as developed as well as the developing economy. On the basis of the growth, on the basis of the aggregate growth or the development, those will be carried out over the world, and accordingly World Bank measured on the basis of the average income or per capita income as a developed as well as the developing nations. Those nations also subdivided by the World Bank or IMF as capitalistic, socialistic and the mixed economy. Capitalistic economy of the world, where the different type of the developed economy related characteristics, and socialistic economy where the planned way of the economy like China. Capitalistic economy likely to the USA, UK, France, Germany, Japan and so on. India opt the middle way of the capitalistic and socialistic economy, usually called the mixed economy. After that, it is quite essential for the student of standard 10 to understand about the scope of economics. We are already know before as a scope of economics constitute to the production, consumption, distribution, exchange and finance. Production usually considered as creation of utility, while consumption considered as the end of goods and services for human want satisfaction. Distribution refer to the distribution of income on the basis of the necessities, comfortable and the luxurious wants. Exchange indicate about the transfer of income between the required goods and services in everyday life, and after that finance led to the revenue or the income. It is a surplus, and those will be subdivided between two groups. First one as investment and second one as a saving. So after that, pivot of economics started from the production to the investment. So it is called the cycle of economics. It is also called the scope of economics. Next to the most essential things about the chapter, it is quite necessary to the student to understand about the growth as well as the development. Individual growth or the aggregate growth refer to the step-by-step improvement of everyday life on different spheres. Everyday life spheres will be improved with the help of the different type of the resource or infrastructural utilization with the skill of the human being, as well as the health and other related to the requirement. So growth indicate about the step-by-step improvement, while development refer to the aggregate growth. Aggregate growth, each and every spheres indicate about the development. Those subdivided as about the human related growth and development according to the chapter. This chapter indicate to you about human growth and human development, so that human growth indicate about the step-by-step improvement of human requirement, and aggregate human requirement will be fulfilled after the particular duration or the tenure considered about the development, human development. constituent of the human growth and human development also necessary to understand about the student of standard 10. First one, it is quite necessary to understand about the matter and social spheres of life, political spheres of life, cultural spheres of life, administrative spheres of life, and economical spheres of life. The constituent of the social spheres depend to the social component like cooperation, coordination, and correlation in everyday life. It also depends to the brotherhood or the integrity. Next to the political growth and development, fully or partially depend to the political participation of the citizen in a particular economy, as about the use of adult franchise, active participation about the politics, proper obeying of the ideology, and so on. Cultural growth and development depend to the physical and the moral values of the human being. Physical growth and development depend to the eating habit, wearing dresses, environment, health related to the requirement and others. Next to the moral values depend to the component of the religion, religious worship, custom, tradition, folk ways, and others in everyday life. Next component of the human development depend to the administrative growth and development. It is clear that the sum about the component are quite necessary for the administrative growth and development of an economy, likely to the administrative participation on the basis of the rule and regulation. Active participation of the citizen with the help of the mutual trust and understanding of the citizen and the government. And obeying of the rule and regulation as about the fundamental use of the fundamental rights and forwarded steps of the directive principle of state policy. Now, last one about the dimension or the component of the human being indicate about the matter concerned to the economical growth and economical development. Economical growth and development referred to the component of utilization of resources, full employment in everyday life, health, education, and the training, and other facts of the life. So there are the 5 spheres of the human growth and human development: social, political, cultural, administrative, and economical. Now, according to the board, it is also clear that social, political, cultural, administrative, and economical growth led to the human growth and human development. All about the related component also declared. Next one of the chapter indicate about the national development. National development means development which concern to the nation as a particular variable of the life. According to the chapter, World Bank declared about the national development on the basis of the average income. Average income related concept declared by the World Bank as well as the RBI as a concept of the human development. Now let us come to the national development understanding. Before, it is quite essential to the student to understand about the economic variables, GDP, GNP, and GDP, GNP, NDP, and PCI and NI. GDP indicate about better understanding. We are already knows GDP indicate about the value of goods and services of an economy in a financial year. total value of goods and services of an economy in a financial year, usually called gross domestic product. Next to the GNP indicate about GDP plus earning from the world in a financial year. NDP indicate net domestic product, GDP minus depreciation in a financial year. Per capita income or PCI or average income defined as total income of an economy in a financial year divided by total population. NI indicate national income or NNP, net national product, equal to GDP plus NFIA, net factor income from abroad. Net factor income defined as incoming and outgoing income related to the average. If those became as credited, then surplus as a GDP equal to NI. If those debited in a financial year, then it became depreciation from the GDP. Now, let us come to the different people has different goal. This chapter indicate about the matter concerned to the different people have different goal. Why? Due to the three reasons. First one, different people's related IQR are quite different to each other. Intelligentsia coefficient ratio depend to the genetic, after learning and the concerning other facts. Now, it is also clear that the different people have different goals due to the different background. Different background of the people, like rural background, semi-urban background, urban background, or the others who indicate about the different type of the people's aspiration of everyday life. Accordingly, different people led to the differentiation of their requirement as a goals or the aspiration. Like as a student required better education abroad, while a farmer required better arrangement of the seeds, fertilizers and other inputs for the betterment of the yield or the production. In this way, brother and the sisters, boys and the girls became as different background have also different aspiration or the goals due to boys rich family from the rich family or girls from the rich family trying to equality between one another and trying to observe about the education on the basis of the abroad, as about the expensive educational upliftment. But boys from the poor family as well as the girls from the poor family trying to overcome about the problem of the education and the health upliftment on the basis of their limitation. So tribal people from the tribal area trying to settlement in a particular area as well as the subsidy and the loan of the government for the well-being of the tribal people. So different people have different aspiration or the goals. Next to the facts also given as about the chapter likely to the national development fully or partially depend to the different facts or the different dimension of the life. Likely to if social dimension, then social upliftment are required. If political dimension, then political upliftment are required. If cultural, then cultural component related to the upliftment are required. If administrative, then administrative. But chapter at a glance indicate about the World Bank as about the economic improvement of everyday life of an economy of the world. Accordingly, average income related to the measurement given as about the chapter. Chapter at a glance indicate also matter concerned to the developed and the developing countries. Related to the developed and developing country also depend to the different attributes of the development. So features of the developed economies are better purchasing power, better buying capacity, a high standard of living, full employment, proper utilization of resources, proper educational upliftment and training, and so on. But developing economy where all about the trying to overcome concern to the all spheres of the life. Public facility related concept also given. Public facility mean the facility which provided by the government for the well-being of the citizen, likely to the street light, street road, park, playground, burial ground, and so on. Concept of the public facilities as a welfare view of the Indian economy as well as the world economy, where the welfare requirement of the government on the basis of the constitutional requirement as directive principle of a state policy. Next topic, at a glance of the chapter given as about the differentiation of the people also depend to the different type of the other requirement, like literacy rate. Literacy rate of the people indicate about the reading and writing ability of the people out of 1000 in a particular area, especially elementary education. Next to the infant mortality rate, related definition also given. According to that, under 1 year child death rate out of 1000 in a year measured as a quite different from the different economy of the world as well as the different state of India due to the malnutrition and others. Next things, NER and GER also given. Net enrollment ratio and gross enrollment ratio. Gross enrollment ratio are those who indicate about the out of 1000 of an area where the total registered student in a year. But out of registered student, those students who present in everyday life, everyday class, and some about the student became as a dropout or the missing, indicate about the NER. BMI ratio also defined as a chapter body mass index. It defined as body mass index as a comparative study of the malnutrition or the nutrition in a particular economy like developed and developing. Accordingly, BMI equal to weight by height by weight square. Height as a centimeter and weight as a kg measured by the economists. Now last things of the chapter indicate about the matter concerned to the sustainability of development. Sustainability of development are those principle of the environmentalist, scientist or economist of the world. According to that, renewable resources will be used for the betterment of the world citizen, world economy, and it led to the different type of the objective or the requirement in everyday life, like continuation of the generation, protection of the environment, and the continuation of the life related to the activity with the help of the renewable resource instead of non-renewable. Some about that's all. This is the chapter. After that, homework concerned to the chapter is definitions of growth and development, features of developed and developing economies, different component of the human development related constituents with their components, national development related concept, economic variables related to the definition with their importance, national development, and the different type of the other requirement of the human development like education, health, training, environment, etc. So, this lesson indicates about the socio-economic development of the student of standard 10. That's